Imagine a sudden winter storm hits, leaving you stranded on icy roads with freezing temperatures all around. Are you prepared to handle such emergencies? Winter isn't just about snowflakes and cozy fireplaces, as it also brings unpredictable weather and tricky driving conditions. That's why having a winter emergency kit in your car is essential to keep you safe when unexpected things happen. Here are 10 must-have items to include in your car to ensure your safety during winter travels. Starting off at number 10 is a comprehensive roadside kit. A comprehensive roadside kit is your first defense against sudden car problems in cold weather. This kit should include essential tools such as a tire pressure gauge, since cold air can reduce tire pressure, which can make your car harder to control and more prone to accidents. Regularly checking your tire pressure ensures your tires are properly inflated, which helps maintain good traction on icy roads. Basic tools like a screwdriver and pliers are also important. These tools can help you fix minor issues, such as tightening loose parts or adjusting components that may have shifted due to the cold. Having these tools on hand means you can address small problems immediately, preventing them from becoming bigger issues that could leave you stuck. Safety items are a key part of the roadside kit. Reflective warning triangles alert other drivers to your presence if your car stops on the roadside, helping to prevent accidents by warning oncoming traffic to slow down. A bright safety vest ensures you're visible if you need to exit your vehicle in harsh winter conditions, keeping you safe from passing traffic. Including a sturdy flashlight in your roadside kit is also crucial, especially if your car breaks down at night. A durable, weather-resistant flashlight allows you to inspect your car and signal for help even in the darkest conditions. Choosing a reliable roadside kit means selecting tools that are sturdy and can withstand the harsh winter environment. By having these items on hand, you can address common car problems yourself, reducing the need to wait for roadside assistance, which can take longer during bad weather.
But I had to use this once when I was stuck in about 12 inches of snow, and I didn't think I was going to get out, but I got this shovel, dug around my tires, and I was able to pull away. So this is another thing I have that I love because it's been there for me. Here are some work gloves. They're sturdy and they're good for protecting your hands if you had to move things out of the way of your vehicle, change a tire, yank a loose piece of something off of your vehicle in case you were in a small fender bender and you just needed to do that so you could drive away. There's lots of reasons you could use some gloves, some good sturdy work gloves.
Next up at number 9 is a personal survival kit to keep in the car. In winter, being stranded for a long time is a real possibility, so it's important to be ready. A personal survival kit is essential for keeping you safe and comfortable if you get stuck in your car during winter. Start with non-perishable foods like energy bars and dried fruits. These snacks provide the necessary energy when you can't get fresh food, helping you stay energized and alert during long waits. Bottled water is also important to keep you hydrated, especially if you're stuck for an extended period without access to other water sources. To stay warm, your kit should include ponchos. Ponchos protect you from snow and wind, preventing heat loss and reducing the risk of hypothermia, which can be very dangerous in cold weather. Hygiene items are another important addition to your survival kit. Wet wipes, hand sanitizer, and tissues can help you stay clean and prevent the spread of germs, which is especially important if you're stuck for several hours or overnight. Including a small towel and some disposable utensils can also make a big difference in maintaining personal hygiene during an emergency. Consider also adding a compact portable radio to stay updated on weather conditions and news, which can help you make informed decisions if you're stuck for a long time. Additionally, a small notebook and pencil can be handy for jotting down important information or leaving notes for anyone who might find you. Keeping these items in a compact, easy-to-store kit ensures they take up minimal space while providing maximum utility. Being prepared with these essentials means you can handle unexpected delays and stay safe until help arrives. Whether you're facing a snowstorm or an unexpected breakdown, a well-stocked personal survival kit can make all the difference in keeping you comfortable and secure during winter travels.
I have all of these things with me now because I've run into a few situations where it's made it very apparent why I would need it. The kit I'm about to show you today could sit by your back door, you could put it in your car, or you could trim it down to the 10 essentials and bring with you every time you go into the wilderness. Now, let's first remember that all of these are based on the basics.
At number 8, having a multi-tool and basic repair supplies is very helpful. A multi-tool is a versatile device that combines several tools into one compact package. It usually includes pliers, screwdrivers, a knife, and scissors, which can help you handle various minor repairs. For example, you can use the screwdriver to tighten a loose screw, or the pliers to adjust a stuck part of your car. The knife can be useful for cutting through debris or opening packages that you might need during an emergency. In addition to the multi-tool, basic repair supplies like duct tape and electrical tape are important to include in your kit. Duct tape is very strong and can temporarily fix leaks or hold broken parts together until you can get proper repairs. Electrical tape is useful for insulating exposed wires or fixing small electrical issues, which helps prevent bigger problems with your car's electrical system. Having these tools and supplies means you can address small issues immediately, preventing them from turning into bigger problems that could leave you stranded. This is especially important in winter when cold weather can cause parts to freeze or materials to become brittle and break easily. By keeping a multi-tool and repair supplies in your car, you ensure that your winter trips stay on track without unnecessary delays. Next up at number 7 are portable power sources. Staying connected during emergencies is crucial, especially in winter conditions. Portable power sources like high-capacity power banks are essential items to keep in your car during winter. Cold weather can drain batteries quickly, and a dead phone can leave you unable to call for help or access important information. A reliable power bank that can fully recharge a smartphone multiple times ensures that you remain connected when you need it most. In addition to power banks, having extra batteries for flashlights and other devices is important. If your car's battery fails, having spare batteries means your lights and other equipment will still work, which is vital for staying safe and visible during dark winter nights. Some power banks also come with USB ports that allow you to charge other devices like GPS units or emergency communication tools, adding extra functionality to your kit. Investing in portable power sources provides peace of mind. Being able to make important calls, use GPS maps, or access emergency apps can make a big difference in a critical situation. These devices keep your communication lines open, regardless of the condition of your car's battery. This means you can navigate safely, stay informed about weather conditions, and stay in touch with loved ones until help arrives.
We're going to put this in. Okay, so we have this side plugged in, the cigarette lighter, and then we'll bring this over here. And we're charging. So it looks like we're only getting about 99 or 100 watts input. That's maybe a little bit more than half of what we were getting when we were charging from inside the house. So if you're on your way going camping or to the beach and you just want to top up the unit a little bit, or maybe you're on a road trip for the week and you want to charge between destinations, absolutely possible here. You can top up on the go. Okay, so we got everything out of the box. We checked out all the cables and what was inside. We also tested out how to get power into it, so how we're going to charge the device. Next thing we want to do is use the device to charge something else. As I mentioned earlier in the video, there's a maximum of 1,000 watts that can be used to charge. Basically what that means is...
At number 6, reliable lighting is a must-have in the emergency kit. A sturdy flashlight is a crucial item to keep in your car. In winter, days are shorter and you're more likely to need to handle a situation in the dark. A durable, weather-resistant flashlight helps you inspect your car if it breaks down at night or during a snowstorm, ensuring you can see clearly in low-light conditions. A headlamp is also valuable because it allows you to use your hands while working, such as changing a tire or looking under the hood. This hands-free option is especially useful when you need to perform repairs or adjustments in the dark. Keeping extra batteries ensures that your lights will work when you need them most, providing reliable illumination during emergencies. Some flashlights have special modes like strobe or SOS signals, which can attract attention in an emergency. These features not only help you see what needs to be done, but also make your vehicle and yourself more visible to others, enhancing safety in low-light conditions. Reliable lighting in your emergency kit ensures that you can manage nighttime issues effectively and safely, reducing the risk of accidents and making it easier to perform necessary tasks in the dark.
There you go. Deep press and you're on turbo or high. Now, you could, this one's not good because I got big thumbs. Let's do this one. Yeah, this is a good one. All right? So you do this and you deep press and you're on turbo. This is better. It's hard to do this behind the camera. I'm looking at the camera, not the light. Right? Quick tap, low. Deep press, stay on. Deep press, and there's your turbo, or your high. Or you can just, boom, hold it in, let go, and it shuts off.
Halfway through the list, at number 5 is a portable jump starter. A dead car battery can leave a driver stranded, especially in cold weather. As such, a portable jump starter is highly essential, as it is also a compact device that can restart your car without needing another vehicle. In winter, Cold temperatures can weaken car batteries, making them more likely to fail. Having a portable jump starter means that if your car battery dies, you can get your car running again quickly without waiting for help from someone else. Some jump starters come with built-in flashlights and USB ports for charging phones and other devices, adding extra functionality to your kit. This means that in addition to jump starting your car, you can use it to light your way or charge essential electronics. Regularly checking and keeping the jump starter charged ensures it will work when you need it. This device provides independence and reduces the risk of being stuck in cold conditions due to a dead battery. It saves time and can be a real lifesaver during winter travels, ensuring that you can continue your journey without unnecessary delays. With a portable jump starter in your emergency kit, you have a reliable tool to keep your car running and stay connected even in the harshest winter conditions.
Connect the red clamp to positive and black to negative. Don't boost your vehicle when the red light on clamp was on. Don't repeatedly start the vehicle in short time. If the vehicle can't be started at the first time in 3 seconds, please be sure to wait 30 seconds before restarting it. Ensure 50% or above charge remain to start your car. Don't start huge engine size car over the suggested max start engine. Don't start your vehicle if the plug was not completely inserted to avoid clamp melted. Don't start your car if products were blowed up.
At number 4 are traction aids and a collapsible shovel. Traction aids and a collapsible shovel are essential tools for dealing with snowy and icy conditions on the road. A collapsible shovel is especially useful for digging out snow from around your tires or clearing a path if your car gets stuck. Unlike regular shovels, a collapsible one is lightweight and can be easily folded up, making it simple to store in your car without taking up much space. This means you can quickly access it whenever you need to dig out your vehicle without any hassle. In addition to the shovel, keeping a bag of kitty litter or sand in your car can make a big difference when you're stuck. Sprinkling kitty litter or sand around your tires provides extra grip on slippery surfaces, helping your car gain the traction it needs to move forward. These materials act as a gritty surface that your tires can grip onto, reducing the chances of spinning out on ice or packed snow. Traction mats are another important tool to include in your emergency kit. These mats are designed to provide a stable surface for your tires to grip, making it easier to get your car unstuck from snow or ice. Simply place the mats under your tires and they will help your car gain the necessary traction to move again. Traction mats are especially useful if you find yourself in deeper snow or on particularly icy roads where regular sand or kitty litter might not be enough. Having these traction aids and a collapsible shovel means you can handle being stuck in snow or ice on your own. This not only saves you time, but also avoids the cost and inconvenience of calling a tow truck, which can be delayed during bad weather. By being prepared with these tools, you can confidently tackle snowy obstacles and keep your journey moving forward, even in challenging winter conditions. Moving into the top 3, at number 3 are warm clothing and blankets. Cold temperatures without a working heater can be dangerous during winter travel. Having warm clothing and blankets in your car is crucial for staying safe and comfortable if you get stranded during winter. Start by keeping extra warm clothing like wool socks, gloves, a hat, and a warm coat in your car. Wool is a great choice because it stays warm even when it gets wet, helping to keep your body heat in and protect you from the cold. Wearing multiple layers of clothing can also help retain body heat, making it easier to stay warm in freezing temperatures. In addition to clothing, having a heavy blanket and emergency mylar blankets in your car can provide extra warmth. A heavy blanket is great for wrapping around yourself if you need to stay inside the car for a while. Emergency mylar blankets are lightweight and reflect your body heat back to you, making them effective for conserving warmth in emergency situations. These blankets are especially useful because they take up very little space in your car, but can make a big difference in keeping you warm. Chemical hand and foot warmers are another valuable addition to your emergency kit. These small packets generate heat for several hours once you activate them, providing extra warmth for your hands and feet. Keeping your extremities warm is important because it helps maintain your overall body temperature, reducing the risk of hypothermia, a dangerous condition caused by excessive loss of body heat. It's also a good idea to include a few pairs of extra gloves and hats, as well as an additional warm blanket. These items ensure that you have enough warmth if you get stuck for an extended period. Keeping your clothing and blankets organized in a designated area of your car makes it easy to find and use them when needed. Being prepared with warm clothing and blankets means you can stay comfortable and safe if you find yourself stuck in your car during winter. This preparation helps you maintain your body temperature, which is essential for preventing hypothermia and ensuring you remain alert and able to handle the situation until help arrives. By having these items on hand, you can face unexpected cold conditions with confidence and ease.
Again, as you can see, it's not super big on the inside, but it is big enough. Of course, you would want to move all this crap up underneath of it away from, or pull it out of your shelter before you set it up. But it is big enough to cover, you know, your body. If you got a fire out front here, you'd have that heat bouncing off this Mylar on your body all night long. And then, like I said, to prevent conduction from the ground, you would have some type of leaf bed, or in this case, it's snowing. So there is a ton of this dried grass sticking up everywhere that's dry. I just pile that stuff in here. You want 4 to 6 inches of compressed insulation to prevent conduction from the ground. So we're not going to be losing heat from conduction or convection, because the wind would be coming from the direction of the back of the shelter, blocking any convective breezes, like I said. Then we would also be blocking the conduction from the ground. Like I said, we could put a fire out here and have that heat rolling in on us all night long.
At number 2 are a first aid kit and personal medications. Accidents can happen, so having supplies for immediate care is important. A first aid kit is a vital part of your winter emergency kit, ensuring you can handle minor injuries and medical issues until help arrives. Start by including basic supplies like bandages, antiseptic wipes, gauze pads, adhesive tape, scissors, tweezers, and pain relievers. These items help you treat cuts, scrapes, and bruises, which are common during car emergencies. In addition to these basics, it's important to customize your first aid kit with any personal medications you or your family members might need. This includes prescription medicines, allergy medications, and any other specific health-related items. Having your personal medications on hand ensures that you can manage health issues effectively, especially if you're stuck for a long time without access to a pharmacy. Including a first aid manual or guide in your kit can be extremely helpful. This guide provides step-by-step instructions for handling different medical situations, making it easier to respond correctly in an emergency. Knowing how to properly use the items in your first aid kit can make a big difference in treating injuries and preventing them from becoming more serious. It's also a good idea to keep items like antiseptic wipes and hand sanitizer in your kit to maintain hygiene and prevent infections. If someone in your car feels unwell or gets injured, these supplies can help you take immediate action to care for them. Additionally, having a small container of disposable gloves can protect you while providing first aid, keeping both you and the injured person safe from germs. By having a well-stocked first aid kit and your personal medications in your car, you ensure that you are prepared to take care of yourself and others in case of an injury or medical emergency. This preparedness can provide peace of mind, knowing that you have the necessary tools to handle unexpected situations until professional help arrives. Finally, at number 1, emergency signaling devices are the top priority. In emergencies, being able to signal for help quickly is crucial. Emergency signaling devices are the most important items in your winter emergency kit because they help you get noticed when you need help the most. One essential device is LED road flares. Unlike traditional flares, LED flares are bright, reusable, and safe to use since they don't pose a fire hazard. You can place them around your vehicle to alert other drivers that you need assistance, especially in dark or stormy conditions. Reflective triangles are another key signaling tool. When your car breaks down, setting up reflective triangles behind you warns other drivers to slow down and be cautious. This helps prevent accidents by making your car more visible to oncoming traffic, especially during heavy snowfall or low visibility times like dusk and dawn. A high visibility vest is also crucial if you need to leave your vehicle to seek help. Wearing a bright vest ensures that other drivers can see you clearly, reducing the risk of accidents when you're walking on icy roads or in snowy conditions. This is especially important if you need to move away from your car to stay safe or to get assistance. Carrying a whistle is another effective way to signal for help. A loud whistle can attract attention from rescuers or other drivers, especially if you're in a remote area where other signaling methods might not be as effective. It's a simple tool that can make a big difference in getting noticed quickly. In addition to these devices, some emergency kits include a small mirror. This can be used to reflect sunlight and signal for help over long distances. Using a mirror is particularly useful if you're stranded during daylight hours and need to attract attention without relying on electronic devices. The reflection can catch the eye of passing vehicles or rescue teams, increasing your chances of being found quickly. Having these emergency signaling devices in your car ensures that you can call for help effectively, no matter the weather or time of day. They enhance your safety by making you visible to others and increasing the chances of receiving timely assistance during an emergency. Whether you're caught in a snowstorm or stranded on a dark road, these devices are vital for ensuring that you can get the help you need when you need it most. By keeping these 10 important items in your car, you'll be ready for unexpected situations that winter weather can bring. If you want to learn more about staying safe during the winter season, be sure to watch other of our videos. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.